Welcome back to dinlivetech, where we give you tips, tricks and hacks based on your tech world to enhance your digital experience. I'm Dinah, Din's digital assistant. In today's video, we'll show you a simple guide on how to find your Wi-Fi password using the control panel on your Windows computer. Whether you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password or you need to connect a new device to your network, this method will come in handy. So, let's jump right into it.
dinlivetech.
Step 1. Access the control panel. The first step is to access the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and typing Control Panel in the search bar. Once you see the Control Panel option, click on it to open the Control Panel window. Step 2. Navigate to Network and Sharing Center. In the Control Panel window, you'll find various options and settings. Look for the Network and Internet category and click on it. From there, locate and click on the Network and Sharing Center option. This will open a new window displaying your network connections and settings. Step 3. Access wireless network properties. In the Network and Sharing Center window, find your active Wi-Fi connection. It will be displayed as Wi-Fi or the name of your network. Double-click on the Wi-Fi connection to open its status window. In this window, click on the Wireless Properties button. This will open the Wireless Network Properties window. Step 4. View the Wi-Fi password. In the Wireless Network Properties window, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you'll find the security settings and the Wi-Fi password. Look for the checkbox labeled Show Characters or Show Password and click on it. The Wi-Fi password will now be visible in the Network Security key field. Step 5. Note down or copy the Wi-Fi password. Take a moment to note down or copy the Wi-Fi password displayed in the Network Security key field. Make sure to accurately record it as it is case sensitive. You can use this password to connect new devices to your Wi-Fi network or to remind yourself of the current password. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. If you have any questions or other video suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
dinlivetech.